for the first time, I found myself in a small local club where I hear drum and bass being played on a proper sound system. And honestly, something just clicked, and I was so fascinated about everything, actually. Like the energy, the atmosphere. I think that's how a lot of unique ideas are born. Not from knowing exactly what you're doing, but from chasing something that's just out of reach. Yeah. And it became a place where I could disappear, a place where I could process emotions, frustration, uncertainty, an experience that I didn't really know how to deal with otherwise. And the deeper I got into producing, the more I realized that I wasn't just making tracks, I was translating emotions. And I think that's still the foundation of everything I do today.